Life insurance. Life insurance meaning life insurance can be defined as a contract between an insurance policy holder and an insurance company where the insurer promises to pay a sum of money in exchange for a premium upon the death of an insured person or after a set provide. Here at ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, you pay premiums for a specific term and in return we provide you with a life cover. This life cover secures your loved one's future by paying a lump sum payment in case of an unexpected event. In some policies, you are paid an amount called maturity benefit at the end of the policy term. There are two best type of life insurance plan: protection and saving. What is pure protection plan? A pure protection plan is designed to secure your family future by providing a lump sum amount in your absence. What is protection and saving plan? A protection and saving plan is a financial tool that help you plan for your long-term goal like purchasing a home, funding your children education, and more. Will offering the benefits of your life cover. Factor that affect life insurance premium. Now that you can know what is life insurance and why you need it, find out the factors that can affect the life insurance premium. Age on the prime factors that affect the premium for a life insurance plan is your age. The life insurance premium is lower for younger people and gradually increase with age. Gender. Studies have shown women live longer than men. Therefore, the life insurance premium is lower for women as compared to men. Health conditions. Your present and past health condition can determine the premium for your life insurance plan. If you have any pre-existing insurance or have suffered from an illness in the past that may surface or affect your present health, you would be charged a higher premium. Family health history. The chances of you suffering from a disease that run in your family are considerably high. So if any hereditary lines run in your family, you may have to pay a higher premium. Smoking and drinking alcohol. Lifestyle habits like smoking, drinking alcohol can impact your health and lead to multiple health issues. Therefore, insurance companies charge a high premium for invalids who smoke or drink alcohol. Type of coverage. The type of coverage you opt for can increase or decrease the life insurance plan premium. If you added any riders to your plan, the premium would increase. A longer policy term can also result in higher premium compared to a shorter term. In addition to this, the type of life insurance plan you select